Welcome to number 3 of our pumpkin activities. This one is going to include some running, and I think your kids are going to love it. So this time we're going to talk about measurement. We're going to talk about big versus little. And this is something, I don't know if your kids have used any kind of measuring tool before, a tape measure or ruler, but we can introduce them to that in this activity. So the first thing that we're going to do is take this tape measure right here, or a ruler, depending on whatever you have. And I have a big pumpkin, and I have a little pumpkin. And so what I want to do is allow the child to use this tape measure and find out how tall this pumpkin is. I'm going to include this stem just because this is a tall pumpkin. So this pumpkin is 13 inches. 13 inches tall. That is a big pumpkin. So do you see this green piece of paper here? I just have just a piece of paper. And what I did was I wrote the letter B on it for big, because we're learning about big versus little. This pumpkin is 13 inches tall, so next to the letter B, I'm just going to write 13 and put a circle around it. So B13. That's this pumpkin right here. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for the little one. The little pumpkin over here, he's pretty small, so he's going to have a different measurement tool. Let's see, this one. He is 9 feet tall. 9 inches tall, not 9 feet tall. So on that one, I have the L for little. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write the number 9 with a circle around it. So there it is, 9 with a circle. And here is the little one. Little pumpkin is 9 inches, and the big pumpkin is 13 inches. Now, what I want to do is test my child. These are opposites. One is big, one is little. So I'm going to have my child run to these pumpkins, and I'm going to place them all around the house. So I'm going to take these off, and my dog decided to come back in the video again. So what I'm going to do is put this pumpkin over here, far away. This is the little pumpkin all the way over here on the side. And I, as the mom or dad or whoever, I'm going to tell my child, okay, I want you to show me which one is the big one and which one is the little one. So I'm going to show my child this B first. And I'm going to pick a spot for my child in the room to stand. Maybe over by the door, maybe over by a chair, somewhere where they'll remember. And I'm going to hold this B up. And I'm going to say, where is the big one? And as soon as I say that, they are going to run over to me, pick up this card, and run over and find the big pumpkin, put the B paper on the big pumpkin. They did it. They knew which one was B for big. I'm going to do the same thing again. Have them go stand in the same spot. This time, give them the L paper for the little pumpkin. And I'm going to pretend to be the child. I said, as the parent, where's the little pumpkin? And I, as a child, run over to me, get this little green one paper right here. This is L on it. I'm running over all the way over here. And I put the L on the little pumpkin. So it's a big pumpkin and a little pumpkin. I can see that they're opposite. Now, this is where the numbers come into play. We know that 13 is bigger than 9 as an adult, but children always don't know that. These are number concepts, measurement concepts. So now I'm going to have the child identify the pumpkins by size. Now, when they go stand over there in the corner, I'm going to say number 9. Where's number 9? And they're going to run over here and see if they can figure out if the big pumpkin is 9 or the little pumpkin is 9. Same thing with the number 13. You can have as many pumpkins as you want to do this. I would stick to 4 or 5 maximum because you're going to get into too many numbers if your child's just learning their numbers. If your child knows their numbers really well, maybe you can have 10 pumpkins and measure all their sizes and they'd know. But 2 is good to start. 3 or 4, they are different sizes, could work. So this is pumpkin measurement, and it's math, it's running, it's letter identification, it's using measuring tools, it's talking about opposites. It's so much fun. So I hope you have fun with this activity number 3. Again, there will be links to the other pumpkin activities in the comments above. I have one more activity to show you as we get closer to Halloween. So I hope you enjoy these pumpkin activities. Talk to you soon.